Let's begin our second part. Floor poses, fixed firm series. Hip opener. Lift your feet towards ceiling, grab inside of the feet, pull your knees straight down. Grab inside of the feet. Outside it works too, but inside works better as far as reaching out to the inside your hips. Side to side, hip to hip, shoulder to shoulder. Make sure that spine is nice and aligned. Opened up. All the tensions in each vertebrae opens up. Your breath is speaking to you. Your breath is telling you every news from your mind field. Your mind is creator of everything. Everything you are today, whether you believe in destiny, free will, fate, it is in your mind field. Everything. So check it out. See where you're at. And leg lift. Hold your feet 2 feet away from floor. And activate your core. Inhale, exhale, belly up and down. Press your heels, toes against each other. Feel inside the knees, inside your hips. Your first chakra, we're going to work on the first heaven. It's the hardest one to open, and we will going to discuss that and give you a technique to open it. That's where the spirit gets locked. And bend your knees to chest. Exhale. Deep pause. Grab the elbows over the knees. Ascending colon, descending colon, transverse colon. Exhale, Travis. They're doing great. Side to side. Side to side. A little quiet in that corner. All I did was this. Grab the feet forward, knees come up. You are fortunate that Lula's here. This retreat is going to be fun. I don't go over there because then she laughs all the time. She won't be able to do the poses. George is a lucky man. Lucky, fortunate man. Hopefully he brought a ring. It's great. There you go. It's all in that breath. That's it. Love your jewelries. You must have some foreign blood in you. I mean, for that Hispanic, they know best jewelries. Or is it his taste? It's mine. Did you hear that? That was quick. Roll back, pointed toes locked in his usual down muscles. Exhale to the floor. Jenny. There you go. Bicycle your knees, wave your toes. Tighten your glutes, lift your hips up, drop. Shoulder blades together, lift your chest up, drop. As your channels are open, life sings and dances through us and heals us. The infinite life always is behind us, around us, within us. What is the issue is we ignore it. We think this material world gives us everything. It's all empty promises, empty promises. That's why we're never satisfied. I'm trying to make you a gypsy, divine gypsies. So after this planet, you do go on a planet hopping. On your belly, turn over. Let's do Cobra. The casing is so important when you meditate, when you sit in stillness. This is extra important. Glutes tight, heels touching, toes touching. Press your belly button to the floor. Push the floor away with your palms. Lift your chest up. Concentration mostly at the glutes and lower and belly button. And go a little bit to the right, to the left. Bernadette. That's it. Keep 3 points of reference. Toes, heels together, glutes tight, and shoulder blades together. And then breathe. Then move. But don't let those 3 places of interest to get loose. Keep them together. Extend the arms, fly the same way. Fly. If you do that, you will see that power that you did in the first variation is going to hold you. It's going to lift you. Look up, fly into the infinity and beyond. All palms open, all fingers open. And exhale, left ear to the floor. Release, relax, repose. Feel your belly. Feel your belly. Of the land through which I roam. Now, we've worked on the lower back, middle back, upper back. Palms underneath your hips, elbows underneath the belly. If this is palms flat, both legs up, mouth on the floor, both legs up. If this is difficult, one leg at a time. That's it, bird. That's it. And slowly release, relax, repose. Bernadette, deeper. Thank you for the gift. So thoughtful. So thoughtful. The King of the all 3 parts of the back together. Grab 2 inches below the toes, or grab the ankles. Kick up, chest up, look up. Look at you, George. You're ready to be damad. We call it in Persian, damad. Arus, damad. Back and forth. Activate your core. Side to side. Check, squeeze your kidneys, liver. Beautiful. Ascending colon, descending colon, release, relax, repose. Deep exhalation. You gotta let things go. You gotta let things out. Miss my butterfly. Greg is already a gypsy. Now, this is a bonus. We worked on all 3 parts of the back. Now, this is bonus all together. Come on, push your palms on the floor, glutes tight, push your heels back and forth, side to side, look to the right shoulder, left shoulder, chin down, chin up, chest out. Look at the single eye. Beautiful, Bernadette. Breath, Bernadette. Come on, that's what you're going to take back to Phoenix. Knees on the floor, sit back, exhale. George, deep as. Deep as. Look in the single eye. When thine eyes become single, thy whole body shall be full of light. You better practice, because that's what the meditation is going to do for you. Single eye is the gateway to super consciousness, Christ consciousness, God consciousness. Without it, it's impossible to attain that substance of human kingdom. You are in this kingdom for this reason alone, to explore super consciousness, Christ consciousness, God consciousness. That's the purpose of life in human kingdom. Otherwise, ordinary man is a slave. They do 100 times more work than animal kingdom. Animals have definitely a better life otherwise. The superiority of human kingdom lies in the stillness. Be still and know that I am God. It is a science, and we'll show you the two best techniques of being perfectly still with your physical senses, astral senses, rising above the mind, the fluctuation of the mind, which creates duality to singularity, merging with the spirit, merging with God, merging with the ocean. One realizes at that state that only God does everything. God is in everything. That's what meditation does. Be still and know that I'm God is that science. Inhale, lift your arms up, move to the top of the mat, sit between your heels, recline back, Supta Vajra Asana. Exhale, exhale. This should feel so good after sitting in a plane for a few hours. Deep ahs. If this is difficult, one elbow, the other elbow. That's it. Do your best, Bernadette. That's too fast. I don't want you to get hurt, honey. Watch. Come up. Come up. That's a little help. Little help. That's it. Beautiful, Travis. Inflate, deflate the belly. That's it. Breathe, Bernadette. Breathe, Bernadette. Make you a yogi, Bernadette. You never forget this retreat, I promise you. Come up. Knees together, feet together, palms together. Smile. Gorgeous, chance. Never lose that. Knees together, feet together, palms together. Calmly active, actively calm. Be still. Practice that stillness. Even though for a few seconds. They all matter. They all adds up, adds up.